Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code for a specific event or location in the Waze application. So let us get started. Now, if you'd like to notify your friends and contacts, for example, of your current live location or of a route you set here in Waze, you can do that by sharing it through a QR code with them. So what you want to do, guys, is simply, let's say, for example, let's start with a location. So what you want to do here in the live map on Waze.com is click on that text box here under driving directions in top left corner and enter a location. So let me type in A, for example, and pick that location here. And after that, let's say you would like to notify your friends that you're in that live location. What you want to do is here under the location's name is select create a QR code, click on it. And after that, you will be able to, for example, download the given QR code or to scan it with your mobile device and to send it to your friends so that they may know where you're currently at here on Waze. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. You can do the same with your route. Simply start with your starting point and with your destination and share it later with your friends. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. Start with the starting point, enter also the destination, and here you would see the share button. And yeah, simply select QR code and repeat the same process. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.